Hello friends, welcome to Tuesday's video. I am excited for this one. I've been wanting to try this technique for quite a while. And I first saw it on one of my favorite YouTube channels here. I believe it's called Lrisy Designs. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. So yeah, Lrisy Designs. I will link, obviously, I will link in the description and also in the iCard, this technique. So what she does, or what they do, is they use this metallic foil stuff, in like strips on their resin pieces. And then also some glitters and stuff. It's a whole process. So this is going to probably be a little bit longer of a video. So I've got this metallic foil stuff that I'm going to use. And then I decided that I wanted to flash back to the 80s, where I'm from, and do some neon colors. So I've got some Lrisy glitters here. This one is called fluorescent green. This one is fluorescent reddish orange. And then this one is fluorescent orange. And I've got these three bases of coasters that I poured. I probably poured these when I was doing my Halloween series. So these have just been sitting there. I just had extra resin and I was like, yeah, we'll leave these and I'll think of something to do with them. Now I've thought of something to do with them. So I'm going to mix up the glitters. That is really bright, by the way. I wonder how I can turn that brightness down. Because good grief, that is bright. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to mix up the glitters with Duragloss High Gloss Varnish. That's why I got the cups. And then I'm going to put the metallic foil on, and then some glitter in strips as well. And then once that is finished drying, the DuraClear is finished drying, I will then top it with a coat of clear resin. So that's the plan for today. I hope that you enjoy this video, and definitely, like I said, check out that channel once you're done watching this. Okay? Alright, let's get started. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. All right. So I've got the the metallic on. Words are hard, guys. And then I've also got the glitter with the Duraclear on. Just wanted to give you guys like a little close up. Look how shiny that metallic is. So yeah. So now I just have to sit and wait for these to dry. And then we will put a nice little top coat of resin on there and go from there. Sound good? All right. Hang out. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding time. So, I was rushing with this one. Mixing in some mica powder into the clear that I had left over. So this is going to be absolutely smothered in bubbles. And inundated with bubbles. So I'm not expecting this to be perfect by any means. But I guess it would help if I could even get the darn thing out. Okay. Yeah, there was a huge bubble at the very tippy top, so it's a flat top. But I gotta say, it looks pretty cool. Like, even with the, like, you guys probably aren't going to be able to see this, but there's some bubbles inside the top here. But yeah, so, you know, just had a little bit of resin, decided to use it on one of these little cones or pyramids or whatever you want to call it. So that is today's bonus unmolding time. Alright, friends. It's not unmolding time because I'm not unmolding anything, but look at how they turned out. I do wish that I had used some alcohol to clean off this part. But also I was curious whether or not there's like a clear film on these, like on the top, you know? Sorry, I'm just trying to play with this one piece here and see if there is. I don't think there is. But anyway, so I think they turned out really cool. I'm a little pissed off about this line running through this one, but that's on the tape. It's not, you know, the resin or anything. But it turned out so good, you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. So, yeah. That was today's video. Super easy. As always, anything that I use will be listed in the description below. Amazon links are affiliate links, and then I've also got a discount code for Dryer Days Art Studio. So definitely check those out if you're interested. Please, if you enjoyed this video, let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really does help out my channel. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care, guys.